There is a notion that whenever government disperses money for livelihood programs, it is always free money and most beneficiaries do not want to refund it. Out of 513 million shillings that was given to Mukono Municipal Council for youth livelihood programs, only 96 million has been recovered.
As we'll see, the rate is completely deplorable. That's why now we need to, going forward, examine the strategies this entity has, in terms of improving this rate of collection. Because as you know, Chair, as committee, we have made it very clear to all these entities that there is no money, because this is taxpayers' money, there is no money which will be forfeited. We are not ready to allow government forfeit any money as far as this, these two areas are concerned, the YLP and WEP. So maybe we need to hear from the accounting officer and the team what strategies they have put in place to ensure that this money is collected. Because some entities are doing very, very well. We have had some entities which are registering 85%, especially with the WEP, 65, 70 in terms for YLP. So, but Mukono is a story which you cannot write home about, Mukono Municipal. So we need to hear what strategies you have.
Indicator of lack of seriousness. Can you briefly tell us some of the strategies you're using to recover that money? Because the way you're explaining is as if it's none of your concern. So you should try to show us the strategies you're using to recover that money, because seriously, the recovery is too low. It should be explained with a lot of pain, because this is public money.
According to municipal leaders, they have put strategies to recover these funds, but they are constrained with some people who keep preaching that government money is always free money, which is why they want to involve political leaders to join this fight.
So we are also asking ourselves, are we lacking sensitization? Are these people doing their work as CDOs to emphasize on that, say that this money is not for free? They have to return it, because it is a say that all the money that is given out from the government is for free. And the president is just thanking you for voting, which is not true. But it could be better if really these strategies work for us to recover at least some money, so that our youth also, those who didn't get, benefit from this fund.
When I went to Mukono and I interacted with the team, the first thing I asked the team was to tell me what are the strategies that they are going to employ to ensure that the revenue from YRP groups and the women, the UEP fund was realized. And indeed, the chair, the department responded, and in writing.
In the financial year 2021-2022, Mukono Municipal Council received 22.7 billion shillings and spent 18.5 billion shillings, meaning that 3.9 billion shillings was unspent and taken back to the consolidated fund, only that these have denied this and only confirmed 11 million shillings.
The money you received was 22 billion. And out of the 22 billion, you spent only 18 billion. It means you failed to spend 3.9 billion. And the 3.9 billion which you failed to spend, it was swept back to the Central Treasury. And we would like you to explain to the committee why is it you failed to absorb this money given to Mukono Municipal Council.
No, I don't agree with the 3.9 billion. I only agree with the 11 million, on which even the breakdown was given during the audit
Officer.
process.
Same query here is saying the accounting officer
should give a breakdown of the unspent balance of 3.9. Are we together? It is in our report.
Yes, proceed.
Which must be a point of reference. I don't know why they put this. If they knew it was a system, they could have said maybe they would the accounting officer should liaise with the PSST to harmonize this. But they are saying the accounting officer should be able to break down the unspent balance of 3.9 billion.
The team from Mukono has equally been requested to enforce recovery of all livelihood programs monies, else they'll be the ones to pay these monies. Samula Hanifah, Smart 24 TV, Business Today.